What's going on, Fireflies? I'm back, finally. That's weird, okay. What's going on, Fireflies? I'm back finally. It's me. Hey. What's going on, Fireflies? I'm finally back. It's me, Neon MUA, and welcome back to my channel. Let me blow the dust off this piece. You guys, I'm back. I'm sorry for the delay. There's been a lot going on. I got promoted, some of you guys know, so my schedule's changed up. A lot of different things have been happening. But yes, guys, I am back with new content for you guys. Hopefully I won't be gone too long this time. So I am back, you guys, for another edition of the Color Spectrum series videos. In case you guys don't know what the Color Spectrum videos are, I take a color and a style of makeup and I create a new look with it, helping me to get out of my comfort zone, create new looks, create new things, new concepts, everything. Yeah. It's a building, learning process here, okay? It's basically me trying to be better at what I do. If you have not already, you can check out my past Color Spectrum series videos. There will be a playlist here and here. So the color for this video is going to be green, as you can tell, hopefully. There are initially two different styles of makeup going on here. One is based off of a sea creature, and I'm saying sea creature because I don't want it to be mermaid, because I know you guys are tired of mermaids. I'm tired of mermaids, you're tired of mermaids, the world's tired of mermaids, so I'm not going to say mermaids. However, it is a sea creature based look. There's a lot of greens, blues, purples, little things going on, but the main focus is the color green. Also, the look is inspired by Sierra Jewel on Twitter. I saw this look. You can see it. I'll post a higher quality picture here so you guys can see. But I saw this look and I fell in love with it. The style of it's a cut crease, but it's got complementary colors in there. It's great. So I took the concept of it and just morphed it into the color scheme that I'm doing. So hopefully it makes sense. You guys can tell. Hopefully I can work on with it. So yes, that is the look for today's video. As always, before this video begins, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload videos. I know I say twice a week. Things have been weird. We're shooting for twice a week again. Bear with me. Turn your notifications on so that you don't miss the next one. Got it? Good. Okay. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media accounts. That is Neon MUA on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, as well as Lionheart555 on Snapchat. I know I talked about Vero in the past. I don't know what's going on. I think it fell off. If you want to follow me there too, it's Neon MUA. If not, it's not the end of the world. And without further ado, I shall make my grand return with another Color Spectrum series video, green. So let's go.